this computer. Okay. So now I have given it module 2, db underscore module 2, as you can see here. So now I will now click create. Once I click this create, I'm done creating the database, and it will be listed on the left side here. You can see it, db underscore module 2. This is my database name. Now, then I will now go back to that tab where they ask us to supply database name, database username. You see, from number 2 to number 5, they have default value that we are going to supply, and it will work for us. Okay, so but what we need to create is this first one that we have created. Now we now click on let's go. Now, what is the database name that we just created? I created it as db underscore module 2. If this is not exactly the way I created it, it will not work. Okay, let's take for instance, I use it as db underscore module. I did not put 2. Now, the username, please take note as well. By default, it is root, R-O-O-T. By default, root. Then the password space, leave it empty. Don't put anything there, empty. Leave the rest as it is, the database host, table prefix, we leave it. So basically what we are doing here is we only supply the database name we have created. We supply the username, which is root by default. Then the password, we leave it blank. Then we click submit. This will not go because you can see cannot select database. Why? Because the database I put is not existing. I'm supposed to put 2, but hello?
Yes, I was about to raise that.
Yes, I deliberately put it to tell you that if you miss spelling of your database name, you are likely to get this kind of error. So we'll go back, I will now put the 2. Then I will now click submit now. Let's see. Can we see that it worked perfectly fine now?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So it must be exactly the way you have created it in the database. Then we now click run the installation. Now we are here. Now we say welcome. Welcome to the famous 5-minute WordPress installation process. Just fill in the information below and blah, 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 blah. Now we are here. You remember our last class when we created our site title using code. And as you can see, the site title we created that last class appears up here, right? Somewhere up here where my cursor is, site title, which we use code to create. Can we remember?
Yes.
Yes. So now it is that same title now that we want to create here. And we are not going to use any code. We just type it in Word. So we just say widen module 2 web development. Let me just put widen module 2 as the title, no problem. I just put a kind of a demarcation between widen and module 2, or you can just leave it. You can just put it as widen dash module 2. Anyhow you want it to display. You can see this WordPress, then a kind of a greater than sign, then installation. Then you can see widen platform where we are doing our class, the online class. We are on widen page, and you can see what the title changed to: widen column web development and AI integration. In fact, let's use exactly what we see here: widen column web development and AI integration. So let's use that now. Let's use widen column web development and AI integration. Okay, so now username. Now we are here. This username we want to supply now It is the super admin. Hello. The username we want to supply here now, it is the super admin of this website, the Oga Patapata. That is, it is this username we want to create. Anybody that have this login will be the overall boss of this website that can manage the website. So now, for me, I usually use admin as the super username, but you can use anything. This one is at your discretion. Then the password, you should use a very strong password, okay? Alphanumeric, symbol, or whatsoever. So I will use my own password. You can also type yours when you get to this stage. Okay. Now, your email address. You put your email address here. Then leave this place. Discourage search engine. Don't stick it. Just leave it. So having done this, what next to do? Let me type this password against like I made mistakes so that I will not forget. This password you are typing here, please don't forget. Maybe you first type it somewhere, copy and paste, because if you do, you will not be able to access this website again. You have to start another website afresh. So you must remember the admin, the username, and the password. Then you now click install WordPress. And this completes our first website. With this, we have completed our first website. You can see success. WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Now, who can tell us how to view this our website? Anybody? I already said it during the course of
First, you have to check the surname and the password first. Have you?
No. I said it.
You can view the website through the XAMPP.
The browser. Yeah, the XAMPP is
Use the
connected,
XAMPP,
quite
then
all
you
right.
see.
Yes, but you don't
Yeah,
go to your
you
First,
browser.
you have to log in. You need to log in, then maybe your surname and then your
No, we
password.
don't need to log in now. For
localhost
instance,
and the
okay,
name of the website, then you
God,
run.
God, God bless you. So it is, when you want to give your website out, you don't need to give login to anybody. For instance, now you want to visit National Open University. It's just the website that you visit. You don't need the login. So now, to view our website that we developed locally, all we need to do
Okay.
is localhost. That is the first thing. Localhost / our website name now, which is module 2, right? Then we press enter.
Yes.
Yes, this is our website now. This is what we have just developed. Can we see it? It looks untidy, right? You see this thing that we created, the title, can we see it here? And at the same time here, widen web development and AI integration. We copied this. So, which is the same thing that we have also created. You remember we did this on Tuesday as well using code. So basically, this page you are seeing like this is a website. Because you can see sample page here. This is a menu sample page. If I click it now, it will take me to a sample page. Can you see? If I click blog, if I click home, or I click on this, it takes me back to home. This is a website. So now this is a template. Then it is this template now that we will now start customizing to suit whatever we want to build. We will build a project in this course. And if anybody wants it, we can sell it for that person. So you just launch it, or you just give us your company name. We build a website for your company. Maybe we'll do that for somebody here in this class. So as our project. So just give us your company, what you do. Then we'll try to build a website for your company and we'll see it if time permits. So basically, we have successfully completed WordPress installation and XAMPP installation. So what next now is how to now start customizing this website to our niche. Please, question. Anybody questions, please?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma.
Yes, well done, sir. Thank you for the class.
Thank you so much, ma.
My own is not a question per se, but a request.
Okay.
Yeah, please, can you drop this recorded class for us on the WhatsApp group for the last and the one for
The last class, I was not the one that recorded it, but I will get it from Prof. But this particular one, what we'll do is this, because the size might be more than what can be shared on WhatsApp platform. So I will try and contact the Professor Ghanaian, the coordinator, and see how we can put this in a drive or the widened YouTube platform whereby we can watch and rewatch or even download on our system. But to share this via WhatsApp, there's maximum number of files that can be shared via WhatsApp. So which I will check the size of the video. If it does not exceed that one, fine, we'll drop it. I hope that's fine.
Okay, what about link? If you can give us the link on WhatsApp, we just click on it.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. So
watch.
before we can
How
give
about that?
before we can give link, we have to host it somewhere before first. So it's either we host it on YouTube or we host it in Google Drive. So whichever way the coordinator wants, we will do. Then once we host it online, we'll now share the link that everybody can visit and watch it.
All right. Thank you so much. Your class is very interesting.
No problem.
Except for the time that is not permitted. It's too short.
I have a
That
question.
is what I usually have. Okay, Tom, please go ahead, ma. That time is my problem too.
Okay. I would like to know, are there already designed templates that somebody can use in this?
There are millions. There are thousands that you can use. Thousands.
Okay.
Yes. There are thousands that you can use.
Just like the already designed template
Yes.
website that you only
Yes.
just to edit it and put what to do.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
But is it still going to link to this WordPress?
The first thing is you first set up this WordPress. It is once you set up this that you will now install the template on this page.
Okay.
It's just like, for instance, now you have your phone, okay? How many of us have installed different themes on our phone before? Themes. We know what themes do to beautify our screen, our layouts, phone layouts. So we also have themes here that you can change from. Then you can also pick templates. So those templates are already developed with pictures, text, everything. Yours is to just pick one that you think will suit what you want and edit the text, remove the picture and put your own picture, and that's all.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Any other question? Okay. If there's no any other questions, Prof, please, the floor is yours. The coordinator.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My dog. Well done, Mr. Desedi.
Thank you, ma'am.
So I want to thank everyone that comes to the class today. I want to thank the facilitator, Dr. Nuruddin. Thank you so much for the expository. It's really an eye-opener to know that within 1 hour you can develop a website once you know the know-how. It shows how beautiful, how beautiful this field of computer science and technology is, and how easy it can be if the network can cooperate, and if all of us can also go back to the link. There should be a link. Please check if the link to each of the class is dropping in your portal. If it's not dropping, let us know so that we can resolve it. For those who are here that want to go through the classes again, there's a link. There's supposed to be a link. So if you are not get the link, please let us know. We would try to resolve that. So I want to thank everyone, and I want us all of us, because it's a special session. We have like 24 before or 25. Then people, the network is really disturbing. Some cannot come in. Only 20 people are staying to the end, and I want you all to walk out from this place on red carpet. So the red carpet starts with our facilitator, Dr. Nuruddin. Thank you so much. Dr. Debola, thank you so much. Dr. Demuyiwa, thank you so much. Aisha Uthman, please, you are working on the red carpet. Ajana Adiola Uthman on the red carpet. Amina on the red carpet. Aziza Aliyu, Balikis Olagoki on red carpet. Please give us shout out of love. Yes, I love that. Fatia Abdul Latif on red carpet. Afso on red carpet. Karimat Abdul Karim, that's a beautiful name, on red carpet. You are talking, that's why I see your name. Ajia Abdul Karim on red carpet. Aruna Blessing on red carpet. Jima Memuna, I want to commend you especially. Please work majestically on that red carpet, because you have been asking questions, you have been contributing just like
Yeah.
Dr. Ademu you are. That's very good. Well done. We appreciate that. Murayo, our class rep, Oladot on red carpet. Oloyede Alima on red carpet. Ramatu or Lani, these are constant names. I think I saw these beautiful names also. They were on red carpet on Tuesday. They're also working on red carpet tonight. Sadiq Balogun, Mariam on red carpet. If I've not mentioned your name, know that you are all on red carpet tonight. Thank you for staying through. And please encourage others that are your friends that are on this program to please always come to the class. If they don't come, tell them to watch the video and take it. Is whatever you are able to complete out of the module that will appear in your certificate. If you complete all the 5 modules, all of them will be on certificate, and that will be a beautiful one for you. If you complete only one, that is the only one you get certificate on. I could see a hand up. One hand up. I see. Okay, the person has lowered the hand. Okay. Maybe it was a mistake. So thank you, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the evening, and see you in the next 3 weeks. Remember, the next 2 weeks is for what?
Hands on.
And so on. Thank you. Next 2 weeks for answer on. So whatever we have learned today, if you don't watch this video, go and watch other videos that were dropped for you in your portal. There is also explanation. There are explanations there as well. You can use that also to actually do your hands-on. The step-by-step on how to do it.
Assalamu alaikum, my prof. I think if they are actually
you take it, and we see the next 3 weeks go to module 3.
Prof, ma.
Go ahead, please.
Yes, ma'am.
I can hear you.
Within that time,
Go ahead.
within that time, if there is need, if they have any challenges and they think we can still come up once more, I will be glad to do that. So I really want people to at least come out of this class as a good professional developer. So I will be available. So if there is need to reschedule another live class, no problem.
That would be greatly appreciated, sir.
Appreciated.
Thank you so much, sir. We want to be a guru like you.
Yes, so
Yes,
that will be my joy.
It's also on the platform. It's also on the platform.
All right.
That would be nice.
I will tag him so that you can see his number. So you can contact him for further explanation, guidance on how to do your assignment. And in the next 3 weeks, somebody told me just now, Princess said that there is on the portal is showing that you have classes on the 14th. No, there's no classes on the 14th of this month. The next class will be in 3 weeks time. In 3 weeks time. 2 weeks for your practical, and then we now move to module 3. And module 3 is on data analytics. And Professor Ryan, I don't know why he did not join today. He always joined the class. Professor Nahim We'll be taking you through module 3, data analysis and analytics. And that's one will tell us how you can, on your Google, on your Instagram, how you can know those who are, visiting. You can do some calculation. If you are using it for business, it helps you a lot to see how people are patronizing you. So see you in the next 3 weeks, and God bless you all. Thank you. Please walk out majestically on the red carpet.
Thank you, ma.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Adigun.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank
Adigun.
you.
Bye,
You are highly
everyone.
appreciated. Thank you, Prof.
Bye. Thank you. Good
Good
night,
night, everyone.
Good night. Good night.